As Lok Sabha polls inch closer, the battle for Wayanad is also intensifying by the day. Rahul Gandhi trained his guns at Kerala Chief Minister during his rally in Kerala. First, he picked up the medical college issue and said it's an easy issue that can be solved, and has even written several letters to the Chief Minister over the same. During his speech in Kozhikode, he then said that he'd asked why the BJP is not attacking Pinarayi Vijayan over ideological differences. He also wondered why Pinarayi Vijayan was behind him when he had been a constant detractor of the BJP on several issues.
One thing I don't understand. I understand that the night ban is a complex issue. It's true. I understand man-animal conflict is a complex issue, but medical college is a simple issue. It's an easy issue to resolve. And I've already told you that we are committed to resolving these problems. I have written multiple times on these issues to our Chief Minister, to the central government. We are going to resolve this issue with you together.
I attack the RSS and the BJP, and I've been doing it relentlessly. My question is, why is the BJP not attacking the Chief Minister of Kerala? Is when the BJP is destroying the constitution, attacking democracy, destroying the institutions, dividing India. Why is the Chief Minister of Kerala attacking me 24/7? I'm very happy for him to attack me, but he should also spend a little bit of time attacking the BJP and Mr. Modi and the RSS.
Rahul Gandhi did not miss any opportunity to hit out at the Kerala Chief Minister during his roadshow in Wayanad. He, like I said, raised the issue of building more medical colleges in the constituency, and in Kozhikode as well. He kept raising questions with Pinarayi Vijayan, kept asking the Chief Minister on why he's running after Rahul Gandhi but not the BJP over some of the core issues concerning the state. Congress spokesperson, though, in the meanwhile has come out to defend Rahul Gandhi on the questions raised by him during these two rallies. Listen in.
I don't see what's wrong in a public representative, an MP from Kerala, raising an issue that pertains to the people. Where is the question? What is the question there? I don't understand. He has raised an issue that pertains to the people. He has raised a healthcare issue. I'm sure the government of Kerala should respond to this. Where is the question? Where is the controversy?
Congress MP Vivek Tanka also threw his weight behind Rahul Gandhi, saying the Congress is fighting left and is playing according to the pitch. Vivek Tanka, in fact, spoke to Times Now on the same issue with regards to the host of poll issues raised by Rahul Gandhi in the two constituencies.
What is the alliance which Modi ji has in Andhra Pradesh with TDP? Chandrababu Naidu, do you recollect what all he said about Modi ji and the BJP? Isn't Modi ji comfortable with him? If KCR had come forward with a deal with BJP, I'm sure they would have been comfortable with him. So BJP should not be talking of morality. This is a state-specific issue. In Kerala, Congress is fighting CPIM. BJP is a non-party in terms of real election. And if the two parties are contesting, obviously each party will play its pitch. So Rahulji is playing his pitch in Kerala.
The BJP, though, has ridiculed Congress's situation with the LDF, terming it an alliance of political convenience. The BJP says Rahul Gandhi has accepted that left parties are corrupt and dictatorial, and went on to question why the party has an alliance with the LDF in the first place.
This is a unique situation where Rahul Gandhi and his party have alliance with left parties in Bengal. They have friendship in Bengal. They have friendship in Delhi. But in Kerala, Rahul Gandhi abuses Pinarayi Vijayan. They only have apna corruption, apna commission, apna ambition, dynasty, profession, and therefore they are filled with confusion. And this confusion comes out sometimes in Delhi. They have alliance with Aam Aadmi Party and fight with them in Punjab. In Bengal, they have alliance with left parties, fight with them in Kerala. In Maharashtra, they have alliance with Uddhav Sena, but they keep fighting and abusing each other.
So the BJP, of course, questioning why is it that the left and the Congress continue to be at each other's throats, each other's necks in Kerala, while they continue to vow to fight against the BJP at the centre. The war of words, remember, started almost 2 weeks back with the Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan drawing the first blood. He mocked Rahul Gandhi, questioning him as why he's fighting against the BJP in Kerala, where the LDF is the main opposition. In fact, Vijayan also ridiculed Rahul Gandhi, saying that the most important leader of the INDI bloc is fighting the LDF, which is also part of the alliance itself.
രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധി ഇവിടെ വന്ന് ആരെയാ നേരിടുന്നത്? ഇവിടെ LDF ആണല്ലോ പ്രധാന ശക്തി. LDFനെ നേരിടാനാണല്ലോ വരുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ ഇന്ത്യ എന്ന ഒരു സംവിധാനം രാജ്യത്ത് BJPക്ക് തടസ്സം നിൽക്കാൻ, BJP അധികാരത്തിൽ വരാൻ പാടില്ല എന്ന ദൃഢനിശ്ചയത്തോടെ ജനങ്ങൾ രൂപം നൽകിയിരിക്കുന്നു. ആ ഇന്ത്യയുടെ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട ഒരു നേതാവ് ആ ഇന്ത്യയുടെ ഭാഗമായുള്ള ഇവിടുത്തെ LDFനെതിരെ മത്സരിക്കാൻ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരുന്നതിൻ്റെ അർത്ഥം എന്താണ്?
ഒരു മാധ്യമം റിപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്ത കാര്യമുണ്ട്. അവർ പറഞ്ഞത് കഴിഞ്ഞ തവണ വിവാദമുണ്ടായ പശ്ചാത്തലത്തിലാണ് ഇത്തവണ ലീഗിൻ്റെ പതാകയും കോൺഗ്രസിൻ്റെ പതാകയും ഒഴിവാക്കി പ്രവർത്തകർ രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധിയുടെ റോഡ് ഷോയിൽ പങ്കെടുത്തത്. ഇത് ഒരുതരം ഭീരുത്വമല്ലേ? മുസ്ലിം ലീഗിൻ്റെ വോട്ട് വേണം, പതാക പാടില്ല എന്ന നിലപാട് എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് എടുക്കുന്നത്?
Let me quickly go across to my colleague Jayalakshmi joining us with more details. Jayalakshmi, as is the BJP was leaving no opportunity to hit out at this alliance, which continues to vow to fight the BJP at the centre, but has fielded its respective candidates in states such as Kerala. But now with Pinarayi Vijayan also coming out to say that, here's a party that's actually fighting me and not the BJP. It's just gotten more interesting and once again has given the BJP further ammunition to raise questions on how the left and the Congress most certainly are divided.
Certainly this war of words is not the first time we are hearing, CM questioning the India alliance and the Congress's ties with BJP and Congress in turn questioning CPIM's ties with BJP. So this has been going on quite a days now, and in fact we heard how the CM has questioned why the Congress did not use their own alliance party flags, and yesterday we heard how Rahul Gandhi had questioned CM and CPIM that why are they not questioning the BJP government or questioning the policies of the RSS and the BJP. Instead they have been constantly attacking Rahul Gandhi or personally attacking Congress. So this is very clear that the India alliance partners who the BJP claims that they are friends outside the state
because
of
surely the
Kerala
INDI bloc did not plan it this way, did not plan fielding their respective candidates and not a singular candidate in some of these states, and that is being used by the BJP as a poll opportunity.